At the end of this video, I will show you a video that I edited with Quik. On this video, I will show you how to edit on Quik. Before we get into the tutorial, it is important to know how Quik works. So far, right now in 2020, Quik has over 100 million plus downloads and it's keeping a 4.7 star rating on Play Store. There is a reason why Quik got 4.7 star rating on Play Store. Because the people who love it really loves it. Because if you master Quik, your video editing becomes simplified, easy, fast. You can just edit your videos while you are waiting for your best to arrive. So let's master Quik, the first layer. Quik uses AI a lot to compute. That's why its transitions and titles are so good, because it's generated by the app itself. Disclaimer: you cannot put a T-Rex on your video using Quik. So let's get started. Open Quik and import your videos. Make sure that you are selecting your videos in an order, from first to last. After importing, Quik will give you an edited version of your video with a random style and random music. So this is not the end of the world, but please just watch the video fully. Then select the style that you want for your video and also select the aspect ratio of your video and also select your music for your video. You can also change where your music starts using Quik. After doing these 4 steps, Quik will re-edit the first video, because music play a big role on editing on Quik. It always analyzes beats of your music and edit accordingly. After doing this, like feeding your Quik your videos, styles, musics, the big step is over. You have finished your first step. Let's move to the second one. Setting the clock. You have to go to the Duration tab and select the length of your video. Quik has its bad reputation on showing an unreadable time, but setting the time is a must too. There will be icons according to the length of your video. Just select it according to your purpose, playing the model. Now it's your time to manipulate your video. You might like some parts of your video, so keep them untouched. But the other part, you can get away by these 2 methods: highlights and manual trimming. On highlight, you are selecting the parts of your video that you think is the best and telling Quik to show these parts on your final edited video. You can also force Quik to do this by selecting highlights only in the trim section. The other method is manual trimming. In here, you are really getting into conventional video editing style. You can select a time frame within your video that you want Quik to show on your final edited video. But remember that you also selected a time limit on your video through duration settings. So if one of your video gets bigger, then other videos get smaller. You can completely eliminate this problem and time limits by making your video manually trimmed. Icing on the cake. Select your favorite filter from the filter section and apply it. It's the icing on the cake, and replay your final video. Feel your video. It's your video. It's you and not anyone else. If you don't get it on the first time, keep trying. Keep trying. Because that's the part that makes you better, not a random tutorial like this. It will help in a specific instance like understanding this app. But mastering this app is all about investing your time in it, doing more, editing more videos. So keep doing, keep experiencing. All the best. And now I will show you the video that I promised. The video that I edited with Quik, shot on Poco iPhone. Thank you.